Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, I'll show you I built out a Next.js video, audio and image compressor application directly in browser using FFMPEG WebAssembly library. This is actually the interface of the application which looks something like this. So right here you select your image files and it will automatically compress your image files. So we are running this project as you can see locally. If you need the source code of this, actually let me first of all show you the actual directory structure of the project. So if you are interested in this, the link is given in the description. You can directly purchase the source code. So all the files are coded inside TypeScript, so it's fully customizable. This is a full directory structure. Each component is divided into its appropriate file. So it's easy for you to customize and add more features on top of this project. So this is a development scripts here for deploying the application. So we are using FFmpeg WebAssembly library. We are also using the latest version of Next React as well. So now to actually run this, it's simple npm run dev. So this will start a local development server right here. So just wait, let the application start and then I will show you each feature in detail. So you can directly purchase it. If you still face any issues after payment, you can contact me. I will definitely help you. So, so it's actually compiling the project here. And now once you select a file here, you can select the image file, audio file, any file. So I selected this video file here. So right here we have a set of options right here. We can specify which codec of video you want to use. From the drop down you can select here. You can even control the bitrate of the audio as well. So encoding speed you can even control it. And then here from CRF value you can control the quality as well. Lower values will have better quality. Here you can control the CRF value and then click on compress and it will also show you the progress bar as well. So once it reaches 100% your video will be compressed. Specifically for video files the compression is little bit slower, but you still just need to wait for some time and once it completes your video will be downloaded. So it's actually a single page application. All the processing is directly happening it in the browser. So there is no backend, there is no server side code involved. So it's a single page application, all the processing directly happening in the browser. And once you purchase it, you will also get to know how I coded this from scratch. So each file is, you will actually see how the code is working. The link I have given in the description. So this is a full directory structure as you can just see right here. Let me just show you you can even select audio files as well. There is no, in one window you can compress your video file, in the next window you can select a audio file as well. So if you have a audio file, so I selected this audio file. This is a WAV file. So once again for the audio file you can control all these properties here. Let me stick to the default options and click on compress. So once for audio files it is little bit faster because they are little bit more less complex as compared to video files. So I also coded the progress bar as well. So if the user clearly sees that how much time is remaining for the processing to complete. So it's a single page application. There is no server side code involved in this. All the processing directly happens in the browser. So once it reaches 100%, your video will get successfully compressed. So now this is all the original size, which is 60 megabytes, and now is the compressed size, which is 5 megabytes. So considerable amount of reduction is there. So once it completes, you can click the download button and you can download the video or audio. So same thing you can do for images as well. So if you have an image file, you can even select that as well. So now you can see the image 491 kilobyte has been reduced to 120 kilobyte. So you can select multiple images as well. So bulk processing it will do. You can also specify the output format and resolution preset you can even change as well. So it's still compressing the video here because it takes more time for compressing it. So if you're interested in this project, guys, definitely purchase it. The link is given in the description, and it's easy for you to deploy this application as well.